Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're just going to do a quick little video on how to get your posi traction working on your tractor. And this one here is a John Deere 3025E series subcompact tractor, but I'm sure it's similar for all of the John Deere compact tractors. Okay, so this tractor is four-wheel drive, and I wouldn't have it any other way. If it wasn't four-wheel drive, I don't even want it, because I use that four-wheel drive all the time. You pretty much need it around here in South Florida. You got this sugar sand everywhere, you got mud somewheres, and then when you go to shovel your scoop or whatever, your tires can be spinning. So it's four-wheel drive. Here's where you pull that up right here. I got a little black piece of a lever that goes on there, but they constantly break off. So anyway, when this is pulled up, that gives you your four-wheel drive for the front wheels. Okay, so you're either going to have one wheel or the other spinning. You know how four-wheel drives work. So but then you also have posi traction on the back. Okay, so if you want both of these wheels to turn to help you get where you're going, it's a really simple thing to do. All right, so you're already in your four-wheel drive here, but if because I just leave it in there. But if you want to have posi traction, it's right here on this pedal. This is also your brake pedal. If you go all the way down, you're on brake. All the way up, you're not on brake and you're not on posi traction. Posi traction is about halfway down, just a gentle little push there. Sometimes you're going to hear a little click, but that's pretty much going to lock in both of your rear wheels, give you a lot more traction. Like I said, it's not all the way down because that's your brake. It's not all the way up. It's just pressing about halfway. Okay, and they do have some directions on here, but you might not understand it, or you might not read it, or you might have missed it in your owner's manual. But that's how you get your posi traction, and you will definitely have a lot more traction. So that's how you get your posi traction going on your John Deere subcompact tractor 3025E. And if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.